ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 209. In Bhashya we saw the statement यथा च क्षुरः क्षुरधान एकदेशे अवस्थितो यथा च अग्निः काष्ठादौ सर्वतो व्याप्य अवस्थित एवं सामान्यतो विशेषतश्च देहं संव्याप्य अवस्थित आत्मा. In this sentence, samanyatah and visheshatah two are given. So here the weight is given samanyatah sarvato vyapya and visheshatascha deham samvyapya. If you do anvay in this way, samanyatah sarvato vyapya and visheshatascha deham samvyapya. Then in tippani, no, in moolam, in bhashya, that is how it is given. Visheshatascha deham samvyapya. But in tippani, Bade Maharaj Ji has given deham asamvyapya. And he has given samanyata as deham samvyapya. But in bhashya, everybody understood where I am pointing out? In line number 4 of 209. Sarvato vyapya is samanyatah and visheshatasya is deham samvyapya. This is how it is given in bhashya. But Bade Maharaj Ji has given deham asamvyapya. So one way of doing this anvaya is in this way, that samanyatah deham samvyapya, how Bade Maharaj has given, but you take samanyatah and visheshata both with deham only. One samvyapya, one asamvyapya. Or if you don't see the tippani, just how Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given, just take that. Okay. Means the point should be understood. Two drashtantas are there, Shura and Agni. Agni is samanyata vyapya. Shura is visheshat because it is available in vishesha sthana. Paramatma also is available samanyatah and visheshatah. Samanyata means Sat Chit Ananda Rupena. Right? Sat is Samana Rupena everywhere, or Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Visheshatah, when we say, if somebody understands that this Paramatma Tattva is Drashta, Shrota, Manta, Vijnata, it is Vishesha associated with that one Indriya or Karana, Antakarana or Bahikarana. This Vishesha is restricted Jnanam. That is what this Drishtanta is trying to show. See in Tika. Fourth line. Atmano Jagrat Swapnayor Dehe Dvai Vrittihi Swapetu Samanya Vrittihi Eva Iti Avantar Vibhagam Aha. Another way of doing this Vibhaga is in Jagrat and Swapna Visheshatah Dehe Dvai Vrittihi. In Jagrat and Swapna, in Deha, Atma is available. And in Sushupti, Samanya. Like Kathopanishad, what is that mantra?
Asino Duram Vrajati.
Yes. Asino Duram Vrajati. Shayano Yati Sarvata. So there is Shayano Yati Sarvata, that is the Swapetu Samanya Vritti. And so in Jagrat and Swapna, Samanya Bhanam is not, means it is there, but Vishesha is predominant. So I am like Vakta right now, and I am here and not there. So associated with Deha and some Karana. This is Mukhya in Jagrat as well as Swapna. This is Avantar Vibhagam Aha. Tatra hi iti. In Bhashya, Tatra hi. स प्राणनादि क्रियावान दर्शनादि क्रियावांश्च उपलभ्यते. प्राणनादि क्रियावान आत्मा, स आत्मा प्राणनादि क्रियावान दर्शनादि क्रियावांश्च. So pranana kriya is in Sushupti and it is Samanya. Means prananadi kriya is there all the time. But in Sushupti only pranana kriya is there. Whereas Darshanadi kriya in Jagrat Swapna. But they are not there in Sushupti. So if Darshana kriya is there, I am Drashta. That time I am not Shrota. If Shravana kriya is there, I am Shrota. Then I am not Drashta. So this is Visheshata. Tika. Avasthadvayam saptamyartha. Tatra means Avasthadvaye. Avasthadvaya means you have to do Vibhaga this way. Jagrat Swapna is one, Sushupti is separate. Na kevalam Vishesha Vrittihi evam, not eva, evam. Tada upalabdha. Kintu samanya vrittishcha iti chakarartha. Because in Bhashya it is given tasmat tatraivam pravishtaha. Right? Evam. So Anuswara is there on va. So in Tika also, na kevalam vishesha vritti revam. You will have to make. Tada upalabdha. Kintu samanya vrittishcha means in Jagrat and Swapna, samanya vritti is also there. Vishesha, there will never be a Vishesha without samanya. Right? If I say Neelam Pushpam, Neela Pushpatva, Pushpa will have Neelatva Pushpatva. But Pushpatva will always be there in this way. So, Samanya Vritti is also there along with Vishesha Vritti. Avasthanantare Saiva iti api tasyeva artha. And Avastha Anantare Saeva. Saeva means Samanya Vritti Reva. In Sushupti. See 7 and 8 number Tippani. They are clear. I will have to see that Bade Maharaj's original to see how it is given. I mean, it looks right the way it is given. You might have some. So, Deham Samvyapya, when he says, you should understand full Deha. And Shrota Ityad, Drashta Shrota Ityadi means not full Deha, only that one Karana. In this way, you should understand. Clear? Yes or no? A complete Deham Samvyapya means all Indriyas, all Karanas. Deham Asamvyapya means only one Indriya. means tad indriya abhimanam is much greater than rest of the abhimana.
When I say manta or when I say ganta, that particular.
Means if I say, are you thinking or not? So if you say, yes, I am thinking. So when I am thinking seriously, then I am not listening to anything else. I am not seeing anything else. My focus is more on thinking in this way. वाक्यांतरम अवतारयितुम भूमिकामाह तस्मात्. In Bhashya now, तस्मात् तत्रैवं प्रविष्टः. Yasmat, acha, this evam is not there. Vritti evam is here. Tasmat tatraiva there. Sorry. It is in the next bhashya. Correction is in the next one. Yasmad ubhai vritti, in bhashya it is given, I am in tika. Yasmad ubhai vrittihi atmanah sharire drishyate. Tasmat tatraivam. There eva is there. Make it evam. तस्मात् तत्रैवं जलसूर्यवत् अविद्यया प्रविष्टोयम इति योजना. When the mind is even little bit distracted, some such mistakes can happen. If mind is completely out of the main line of thinking, then Brahma Vichara will go. That's why sadhaka has to be very alert and not allow such things to happen. Sometimes prarabdha vashat, if such things happen, it is dushprarabdha only. Nothing else you can say. Tasmat tatraivam jalasuryavat avidyaya pravishtoyam iti yojana. Tatraivam sharire. In that sharira, jalasuryavat paramatma pravishtaha. Evam means evam prakarena. व्याकृता जगतः सकाशात् आत्मानं पृथक् कर्तुं तम न पश्यन्ति इति वाक्यं तद्व्याचष्टे. व्याकृता जगतः सकाशात्. From the व्याकृत जगत you cannot separate atma. आत्मानं पृथक् कर्तुं तम न पश्यन्ति. This is the vakya from the mantra. Vakyam tad vyachaste. Subhashya tam atmanam prananadi kriya vishishtam na pashyanti nopalabhante. They are not able to see that Atma who is prananadi kriya vishishta. This is going to be elaborated. See in Tika. In other words, this is the question. If Atma, Paramatma is pravishta here, why don't I know it? You are saying Paramatma is this Atma, pravishta, dehe. I should know it. Everybody should know it. So this is that vichara. Why we don't know it? See in Tika. Vishishtam pashyanto api kevalam atmanam na pashyanti iti yavat. Vishishtam pashyantaha. Kevalam means samanyam na pashyanti. So I understand myself as drashta, shrota, one. But I don't understand myself as Satchidananda. In this way, I am not able to recognize. चाक्षुषत्व निषेधस्य इष्टत्वम आशंक्य व्याचष्टे. चाक्षुषत्व निषेधस्य इष्टत्वम्. न पश्यन्ति, it is given, right? Na pashyanti means they don't see. They don't see means it is not through chakshur indriya that we have to see Atma. Just like when it is given Atma vare drashtavyaha. So it is not that we have to use chakshur indriya for darshanam. So na pashyanti means na upalabhante. They are not able to know. Upalabdhi means jnanam. It is darshanam also means jnanam. It is not through chakshur indriya. It is not chakshusha pratyaksha. So that is why it is given chakshushatva nishedasya ishtatvam ashankya vyachaste. Somebody may think, oh, they will not see through eyes. So it is okay. Why? Because Atma is not available for Rupadi Darshanam. You see, no. They don't have Jnanam. That is what is meant. Ukta Nishedham Akshipati. Now there is a Akshepa by Purvapakshi. Nanu Aprapta Pratishedoyam tam na pashyanti iti darshanasya aprakrtatvat. This is aprapta pratishedha. Something which is prapta and then if you do pratishedha, na pashyanti, it is okay. It is aprapta pratishedha. Why? Darshana is not the topic of discussion. Topic of discussion is pravesha, Purvapakshi is saying. Srishti and pravesha. Where is the question of darshanam? Means atma jnanam is not the topic. Darshanasya aprakrtatvat. Are you all following?
Yes, sir. न नैष दोष सृष्ट्यादि वाक्यानां आत्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्त्यर्थ परत्वात् प्रकृतमेव तस्य दर्शनम. सृष्टादि वाक्य they are only for आत्मैकत्व प्रतिपत्ति, आत्मैकत्व ज्ञानम, and therefore and that is the artha paratvam. Paratvam means that is where the ultimate meaning should be taken to, and therefore prakritam eva tasya darshanam prakritam eva. Page number 210, first line in टीका. नाम रूप्याभ्याम स एष इत्यादि वाक्यानां ज्ञानार्थत्वे मानम आह. तन्नाम रूपाभ्याम स एष इत्यादि वाक्यानां स एष इह आनखाग्रे प्रविष्टः इत्यादि वाक्यानां they are there for jnanam, jnanarthatve. Siddhanti said pravesh vakya is for brahmatmaikya pratipatti. Means you should understand there is only one tattva, that is called atma. Other than atma there is nothing. Purvapakshi says where it is said. You only are saying this. So in that pramanam is given. Jnanarthatve manam aha. Rupam rupam pratirupo babhuva tadasya rupam pratichakshanaya. This is Brihadaranyaka mantra. Iti mantra varnat. Kathopanishad slightly different is given. Third number tippani. Rupam rupam iti प्रति उपाधि प्रतिबिंब रूपो बभुव. तत्प्रतिबिंब वस्तु अस्य निरुपाधिकस्य आत्मनः रूपम स्वरूपम प्रतिचक्षणाय.
Rupam, Rupam means every upadhi. Prati upadhi, in each upadhi, pratibimba rupo babhuva. It became like this. It became means it is of this nature. Lit lakara, when they use in Shastra, it is not to show bhutakala. It is only to show we don't know when these all things have happened. That's all. Or since when it is going on. Tat pratibimbu vastu asya nirupadikasya atmanah. Atma, which is nirupadika, its pratibimba vastu is for what? Rupam pratichakshanaya. Means swarupam pratichakshanaya. For this swarupa jnanam. Atma yathatmya pratikhyapanaaya. Paramatma has entered in every upadhi as pratibimba to reveal itself. This is who I am. Means this is who you are. Know that. And don't be dukhi. Don't go through samsara. Anyatha, anadi anirvachaniya avidya pata avrutasya buddhivritti upadhi pratibimba bhave swarupa prakasha anupapatte. Swarupa pa is missing. Otherwise, because of avidya, the Atma Swarupa Prakashanam will not be there. Therefore, through some means, Paramatma decided, I'll have to reveal myself. Right? That is this. Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bhakva. Further now, Tika. विशिष्टस्य दर्शने अपि पूर्णस्य अदर्शने हेतुक्ति अनंतर वाक्यम इत्याह. So विशिष्ट दर्शन पूर्णस्य अदर्शन, these two are given. Means I know myself as Pramata, but I am not able to understand myself as Brahma. This Viveka is the most crucial Viveka in the sadhana. Earlier we may do lot of other sadhanas, go here, go there, do everything. Finally we have to do this only. That this mantra is emphasizing that. Vishishta darshana is there, Purna darshana is not there. Purnasya darshane hetu ukti anantar vakyam aha. Tatra prananadi kriya vishishtasya darshane hetum aha. Pranana, not pranana. Prananadi kriya. Pranana adi kriya vishishtasya darshane hetum aha. Tika. So hetu is given now. Why this is happening? Pratignya vakyarthe sthite sati iti yavat. What is the pratignya vakya? Pratignya vakya is na pashyanti. Right? They don't see it. Like how it is given, pashyanapi na pashyati. Mudha. So pashyanapi means they recognize Chaitanya as Pramata, but they don't recognize Chaitanya as Brahma, means Purna. In Bhashya, akritsno asamasto hi yasmat sa prananadi kriya vishishta. That prananadi kriya vishishta is akritsna. So pranana kriya is also taken as vishesha only.
both the pranana kriya, shravanadi kriya, all are vishesha drishtanta. Prananadi kriya vishishta is akrisa. It means if you take particular pranana kriya in particular sharira, like I am doing pranayama, etc. तस्मात् तद्दर्शनीका तस्मात् तद्दर्शने अपि पूर्णस्य अदर्शनम इति शेषः. So therefore, even if I have prananadi kriya vishishtasya darshanam, purnasya adarshanam itself is there. Like I was explaining in one occasion, so if you have a building, some house, big house is there. If you take only front view, you will get one idea, but you don't know other part. If you take only side view, you will have only that much jnana. If you take only top view, you will have only that much jnana. This is called akritsno hi saha, incomplete atma, you know. Complete atma means you have to have all views, and then cross-sectional views and everything within also you have to know. Then only you can say, I know inside out of everything. Like that, atma also I have to know completely. टीका विशिष्टस्यापि पूर्णत्वम आत्मत्वात् अन्यथा प्राणनादि कर्तृत्व अयोगात् इति शंकते. He says Vishishta also is Purna Atma only, because it's not that Atma has become like partial. Atma is still complete only. So it is Purna. Otherwise, Prananadi Kriya will not happen. So why do you say it is Akritsnaha? Ashya. Kutaha punaha akritsnatvam iti uchyate. प्राणादि क्रिया कर्ता प्राणादिभिः संहतत्वात् पूर्णो न भवति इति उत्तर वाक्ये ही उत्तरम आह. प्राणादि क्रिया कर्ता is प्राणादिभिः संहत. The one who is doing pranana kriya is samhata, means it has become part of the sanghata assembly, where one component is prana. Only then, means upadhi is there, with that it has identified, and therefore purno na bhavati iti uttar vakye hi uttaram aha uchyate. Prananneva pranana kriyam eva kurvan prano nama prana samakhyah pranabidano bhavati. Prananneva pranana kriyam eva kurvan, doing pranana kriya, prano nama prana samakhya. So its name is now prana. Means I know Atma as prana. I know Atma as drashta. I know Atma as shrota. Prana vidhano bhavati Atma. Atma's name becomes prana only. Atmani prana shabda pravrittim upapadayati. Now in Atma, prana shabda pravritti is shown. प्राणन क्रिया कर्तृत्वात् ही प्राणः प्राणिति इति उच्यते नान्याम क्रियाम कुर्वन्. प्राणन क्रिया कर्तृत्वात् ही प्राणः, because it is doing this one kriya. प्राणन क्रिया कर्तृत्वात् ही प्राणः प्राणिति. यः प्राणेन प्राणिति, right? In Kenopanishad is प्राणिति इति उच्यते न अन्याम क्रियाम कुर्वन्. Like यथा लावकः पाचकः इति. See 9 number tippani. It is explained. लवन क्रियया एव लावको न तु पक्त्या तथैव च पाचक इति. So what is the meaning of this?
when he does Lavana Kriya means cutting the grass, in the field. This is called Lavana Kriya. With they have that instrument. With that he does cutting. He is called Lavaka. At that time he is not cooking, so he is not Pachaka. Lavana Kriyaya eva Lavako, न तु पक्त्या. तथा एव च पाचक. तथा एव च पाचक means तथा एव पाक क्रियया पाचकः, न तु लवन क्रियया लावकः. So in other words, when he is cooking, he is not cutting in the field. When he is cutting things in the field, he is not cooking. So a person says, I know Chaitra as Lavakah, but I don't know Chaitra as Pachakah. Somebody says, I know Chaitra very well. He is a Pachaka. He doesn't know Chaitra as Lavaka. In other words, everybody knows only some aspect, but not the complete thing. In this way, when we know Atma, if we know incomplete Atma, then we will mean that is not called moksha. That is not called jnana. You know Atma, but it is not liberating knowledge. टीका तत्कर्तृत्वाद आत्मा प्राण उच्यते प्राणिति इति व्युत्पत्तेः इति योजना. प्राणिति इति व्युत्पत्ति. सदृष्टान्तम एवकारार्थम आह. So drishtantas we already saw. Sadrishtantam evakarartham aha nanyam iti. Evakarartham nanyam kriyam kurvan. That evakarartham anudya hetvartham upasamharati tasmat. Evakarartham anudya. So evakara is mentioned. Evakara is from
Arsha, second paragraph, second line. Prandan neva.
praniti. Prananneva pranana kriyam. Eva. That eva is explained. Evakarartham anudya hetvartham upasamharati. Tasmat. Tasmat kriyantara विशिष्टस्य अनुपसंहाराद अकृत्स्नो हिसः. क्रियांतर विशिष्टस्य अनुपसंहार. क्रियांतर विशिष्टस्य उपसंहार means
Conclusion.
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 No, here it is not that. Upasamhara here means to add things up. In Brahma Sutra, there is a topic of this upasamhara. In upasana, if it is said somewhere, you should do upasana of Brahma as Srishtikarta. So somebody will do that upasana. So it is said here, you have to do guna upasamhara of all other ideas about Brahma also. Means you cannot just do upasana of Brahma as Srishtikarta. So if somewhere it is given Sthitikarta, you give that. Layakarta, you give that. Praveshta, you give that. The one who does the avatara, you add that. Like that, you have to have complete thing. This is called Guna Upasamhara Nyaya. This is there in Brahma Sutra, Tritiya Adhyaya. So this is referring to that. If you don't add everything, then it is Anupasamhara. Vishishtasya Anupasamharat Akritsno Hisaha. Then it is incomplete knowledge. Swarupavasthayam samasta karanopasambhare api pranasya vyapara darshanat pradhanya avagamat.
स्वापावस्थायां
व्यापार दर्शनात् प्राधान्य अवगमात्। हाँ सॉरी स्वापावस्थायाम, इन सुषुप्ति अवस्था समस्त करण उपसंहारे, व्हेन ऑल करण उपसंहार हैज टेकन प्लेस, प्राणस्य व्यापार दर्शनात्, प्राणस्य व्यापार इज देयर एंड देयरफॉर प्राधान्य अवगमात् प्राणन इत्यादि वाक्यम आदौ व्याख्याय क्रियाशक्तित्वेन प्राण सादृश्यात् वाचो वदन इति एतत् पूर्वकम उत्तर वाक्यानि व्याचष्टे तथा इत्यादिना। इन सुषुप्ति अवस्था all karana upasamhara is there, means at that time I cannot become drashta shrota manta because those upakaranas are all shut down, but prana vyapar is there, pranasya vyapara darshana pradhanya avagamat, therefore prana has pradhanya. This earlier elsewhere also in this kalaha shruti of indriya this is discussed, pradhanya avagamat प्राणन इत्यादि वाक्यम आदौ व्याख्याय, so that वाक्य श्रुति gives, that व्याख्या is done. Now क्रिया शक्तित्वेन प्राण सादृश्यात्, so प्राण has क्रिया शक्ति because of which it is functioning, so where else we should find kriya shakti, so it gives vak drashtanta, so therefore vacho vadan, from kriya shakti to kriya shakti he goes first, then from there indriya he will go to jnanendriya. Vacho vadan iti etat purvakam uttar vakyani vyachaste, all the uttar vakyas are being explained. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।